All right, is your garage busted at the seams? Do you have boxes? Can you even fit your car in there? Here we are breaking down spring cleaning. The sun's out, flowers are blooming. For instance, your water heater, is it buried behind those boxes? Have you checked it recently? A simple drain of that water heater can prolong its life. So spring's a great time to dive into some of these tasks and make sure we keep our home looking great and lasting a long time. So we're going to provide you with this really cool checklist of all these different items and things you could look for in your home when it comes to spring cleaning. So some of the things that might be obvious as far as dusting the baseboards and cleaning the blinds and cleaning out the refrigerator. But there's more than that. I mean, there's some things in there that are important that you might not pay attention to. How's the grout around your sink in your kitchen? How's the grout in the bathroom? Well, the grout can deteriorate, get chipped, get cracked, and if you don't know about it, water gets in there, causes damage, and over a long period of time, you end up with this dry rot, and it's a big repair. So how do you avoid that? Just by doing these spring checklists and checking out your house and looking for these things. On the exterior home, how are the gutters? Did you have a branch fall? Do you have a leaky gutter? Do you have, that could cause damage as well. Cleaning the windows. It just gives you a chance to really inspect your house, walk around it, know what's going on, and protecting, which is probably one of your largest, if not the largest asset that you have. So it's a fun thing, actually. Don't look at it as a big task, but check it out. And if for some reason you're not able to take care of some of these things, reach out to me. I've got all the great vendors that can help reseal that grout, wash those windows. Here again, love spring, sun's out. Let's enjoy it, but also let's keep an eye on our home and take care of our home. And check out this checklist and reach out to me if you have any questions about it or you want me to help you connect you with a vendor. Take care.